The European Union has recently announced its decision to expand international cooperation on critical raw materials, particularly focusing on ensuring the sustainable sourcing, exploration, and innovation in the sector. According to EU Reporter's article published on April 7, 2024, the move comes as part of the European Green Deal, with the ultimate aim of building a more resilient and sustainable raw materials supply chain while minimizing environmental impacts. In light of the pressing need to reduce dependency on imports, the EU recognizes that international cooperation is the most effective way to secure access to essential resources. According to the World Bank, the demand for minerals is expected to grow due to renewable energy technologies, with the need for lithium, graphite, and nickel alone projected to increase by almost 500% by 2050. This development bodes well for the EU's mining and metals industry, which will likely see significant growth and investment in the coming years, as the EU aims to address the imminent challenges in the mining sector, such as new exploration and extraction projects for critical raw materials like cobalt, lithium, and rare earth elements. The demand for talented professionals in key leadership positions will soar. The future of this industry will heavily lie in the hands of environmentally conscious leaders who possess the expertise to drive innovation, ensure sustainable operations, and navigate the complexities of EU's emerging strategic partnerships. Mining firms will have to rethink their hiring policies, placing a higher value on qualifications and experience in sustainability, international cooperation, and green technologies. Candidates who have a proven track record in implementing sustainable practices, addressing environmental concerns, and achieving cost efficiency in mining projects will be in high demand. With the European Green Deal in mind, the future of the mining industry is set to undergo significant changes. As green metals and technologies enter the market, mining operations will need to embrace these innovations, invest in research and development, and adapt to evolving regulations. These trends will ultimately transform the sector, making sustainable, resource-efficient mining practices the new norm. Not only will this shift impact operations, but it's also expected to raise the bar for talent acquisition substantially. Mining professionals of the future will need to stay ahead of the curve, possessing knowledge of the latest green technologies, sustainable resource management techniques, as well as the ability to collaborate effectively on an international level. The EU's decision to expand international cooperation in critical raw materials marks a turning point for the mining industry. It ushers in a new era of sustainable practices, innovation, and partnership. As a result, hiring the right talent for key leadership positions in this sector has never been more crucial, as they will be responsible for guiding the industry through unprecedented social, environmental, and technological changes. Undoubtedly, the future of mining will look very different from its present state. With the introduction of innovative materials and a focus on sustainability, this expansion has the potential to revolutionize resource extraction, professional qualifications, and local employment opportunities. Ultimately, it remains to be seen how mining professionals and firms alike will adapt to the emerging challenges and capitalize on the EU's ambitious plans for a greener mining industry.